Hello everyone, and welcome to a video where you may be thinking, things are looking a little different. Maybe this video is gonna be a little different. Well, you're not wrong. I am going to be doing something a little different here on my channel today. I might look a bit different already. The power of a different overlined lip shape. I was sent a tweet of an article from a follower of mine, Lady Zero. Hello. At the only Lady Zero. Thank you for sending this to me. They sent me over a Allure article, and it goes into detail about a apparent new TikTok trend. I don't know, they called it a TikTok trend, but when I looked it up on TikTok, I didn't find too many I don't even know that any of the videos that I saw had 1 million views or more. I think they were in the hundreds of thousands, but either way, they say that it's a viral eye makeup trend. Or maybe they didn't say viral, maybe I just made that up in my head, but they do say that there is a big thing blowing up on TikTok right now. How about that? From a 17-year-old from the UK who created who created a viral makeup trend on TikTok that embraced one of her biggest insecurities, which are her under eye bags. A lot of people hate their under eye bags, and also another thing that's been going around on TikTok I feel like lately is it's like makeup that's supposed to look natural and good, but like they use a darker color under their eyes to emphasize their eye bags. It's strange, but that's another trend going around. I don't know if any of you all have enjoyed or partook in such trend, but I think this was kind of a little play off of that. And also, do we remember when doing like glitter and rainbow and stuff in your stretch marks was a trend? You know, embracing your insecurities, I get it. Or not even embracing, but emphasizing and celebrating. So as I said, this TikToker, Pippa Barnes, does a ton of makeup on her TikTok, and it's quite intense, and I loved it. I think it's so different, and it just works for her. Like, something about the way she does it and her face structure and her makeup and just her look overall is perfection to me. I think it looks great on her. I just think that Pippa really, something about her look just is perfection. And since, as far as I know, she is the creator of this, or the main inspirer of this, I figured I would go along with her looks. So I can't play the actual TikTok for you guys because copyrights are really strict on TikToks, but essentially, here are some screenshots anyways of her process. It seems pretty basic, you know, you're essentially doing a colorful and or smoky eye that you would traditionally do on your lids on top, but she just flipped it and used her deep eye creases as a guideline to flip. It's just flipped, it really is, and it brightens up the under eye. It's really fun, it's wild, you gotta have confidence for sure if you're gonna wear this into the wild, but hey, welcome to my home that I broadcast into the wild. I really want to try this out and see how it looks on me. I tried to do my lips like hers too, but I think I just have too much of a pronounced Cupid's bow to make this lip shape work. That highlight in the middle, it's distracting, but you know what? Hey, I tried. So step one, I'm gonna go ahead and prime top and bottom as she did. Ta-da, things are primed. Now, let's go ahead and spice things up. So I'm gonna dip on into a black shadow. Oh, this is intimidating, but she says to just trust the process, darn it. Do we see the crease in my eye? I am using that as a guideline. She said to just put the black along there and underneath. Oh, I'm feeling so pretty. It's so strange because usually I'm so used to like trying to prevent fallout from my eyeshadow in this area, but now we're just embracing it and emphasizing it. Am I looking good? This is very freeing, I will tell you that much. Something about this just feels so right to me. So I was kind of thinking about doing like one of her rainbow type looks, but I think I'm gonna do just a blue and a purple, like a blue, teal, green, and some purple. Well, maybe not even a teal. We'll get there when we get there. But to start, just using the same brush, going into this beautiful blue. I'm gonna use this to start the transition from black to blue and patting this right where the black and my skin start to meet. The black and my skin color, I guess I should say. Then I'm going to use kind of a flat, fluffy shader and go into a teal type of a robin's egg blue. It's very pretty, if you ask me. And I'm going to start to blend this into the black and the blue, bringing it up towards my upper lid. And then to really blend those together, I'm gonna go in with the teal green and mix that a little bit with the bright blue next door. And I'm gonna use this to fluff between where we had put the blue and then the bright blue to create a nice gradient. Easy peasy. Now, time for some black liner. Also, you weren't wrong when you heard me earlier saying I wanted to go into some purple with this as well. So I am gonna be using these colors here, and I think maybe even some of the bright pink to create a bit of a, you know, think about how I like to do a colorful lower lash line every now and then. I mean, this is to the extreme, but normally I like to do a pop of color there. Just think about doing that, except on the top lashes. And then also making a dramatic wing with it. I'm just feeling very inspired lately and wanting to use the makeup that, you know, I and many of us have hoarded throughout the years when beauty was big on YouTube. Let's use it, let's play, let's feel creative. Yes, well, we're all stuck at home, and for a lot of us anyways, at least if you are here in the States or around this area of the globe, it's winter. Let's get some color in our lives. Let's experiment, let's play, let's have fun. Why not? And then I'm gonna go into this, oh, I guess I'm gonna start off with a little stark white highlight up here. And then I'm gonna go in with a bit of an iridescent pink to highlight in that same area just a little bit. And because I'm needy, I'm gonna go in with some glitter inner corner and bringing it down. Because if we're gonna highlight and emphasize our under eyes, I mean, let's do it. Hello. Here's the final look, my friends. What do we think? I love it, like every single part of it. I went ahead and tossed on this wig because I just felt like it fit the look more than my normal curly brown hair. Not that normal curly brown hair can't be edgy and whatnot on its own, but I just, you know, I figured I have this wig. This is the wig I wear if I ever go out for Halloween, at least for the past, like, I don't know, 5 years or so. It's just a cheap one that I got on Amazon for like $15, and I think for a $15 Amazon wig that I have partied heartily in hence why the bangs are a bit messed up. You know, when the wig came, the bangs were like down to here, so I had to trim them on my own. But since I had been partaking in partying festivities, probably didn't do the best job at getting a nice clean cut. Not to mention I'm not a hairdresser, so like, it's probably my hairdresser texting me saying, yeah, there are problems. Okay, there are apparently a lot of problems with this wig. But I thought it was suiting. I love the way that this looks, honestly. It is so different and outside the norm of what I and others tend to do with our makeup. Cleaned it up by really cutting along the line of my under eyes just to really punch and emphasize the fact that that's what I was doing here. And I just think it looks fabulous. Like, would I have the courage to wear this look out? I don't think so. Maybe, actually, yeah, no, I take that back. I would. I totally would. I don't know when or why, but like, I wouldn't have any problem if I had to go and get my mail right now, or if I had to go run to Target. I could go out like this and feel pretty okay. Like, I would definitely be getting looks, but I would embrace them because I think this looks so cool. It's just like an inverse reverse butterfly beauty wing, and while it really does emphasize those deep cuts, I mean, I don't have the deepest of under eye cuts, but I do have them, and the emphasis of them, something about it, I love it. Maybe, you know, it's along the same reasons as why I keep my mustache and don't shave my face at all. I just don't care about all of the traditional societal beauty standards, and I actually quite like when people play them up and do their own take on them. Like, maybe that's why I love drag queens so much. I mean, not only for a lot of the humor, but just the artistry behind the looks that they come up with. Would you guys still want me to try a drag look? I have considered it and considered ordering another wig, like a pink or a purple wig or something to do a fun drag look with. But either way, this is this look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you to Pippa for creating the short TikTok tutorials on this. I hope my take did you justice, and I hope you like it if you ever end up seeing this. But you guys should let me know how you think I did. Do you like the wig? Or the thought of this kind of a haircut on me? My long hair is driving me crazy right now, but I wouldn't ever straighten my hair, so like, I don't know, a bob, especially bangs, would be a no-go. But either way, just let me know things down below. Is this a look that you would ever give a shot, try out, even if just for fun and play at home? Are there any other trends or anything that you want to see me try out here on my YouTube channel? Let me know. Maybe I'll do one or two or all of them. You can also just let me know if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, inspiring, whatever the case may be, by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below and become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, stay well until then. Bye!